In this tutorial, we're finding components of a force. We have a small child pulls a wagon with a force of 120 newtons directed at an angle of 40 degrees above the horizontal. So first we draw this vector. Here's our wagon. Again, we just draw a free body diagram. We just have to draw a dot for a picture. And our force is 120 newtons, and it's at an angle with respect to the horizontal. So my dotted line is my horizontal line. 40 degrees. And so we want to find how much force is there in the x direction and how much force is there in the y direction. So for letter A, it's the x direction. And so we're going to use our trigonometry. We have our hypotenuse, and we want our adjacent side. And so that is the cosine. So the cosine of 40 degrees is equal to our adjacent over our hypotenuse, 120. To solve for the force in the x direction, our x component, we multiply each side by 120, and we get that x component to be 91.9 newtons. So whatever units one side is, all three sides must be the same unit. Then for letter B, we want to find the opposite side, and we of course know the hypotenuse side, so using SOHCAHTOA. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So the sine of 40 degrees is the opposite, which is our y component, divided by our hypotenuse, which is 120 newtons. Multiply each side by 120 newtons, and we get the y component to be 77.1 newtons.